I no go waste your time. 30 centimeter cube of 0.1 molar conc aluminum nitrate solution reacted with 100 centimeter cube of 0.15 molar conc of sodium hydroxide solution. Which reactant is in excess? Here na the 6-step process wey go help you get the answer to this question. The first step, you solve for the mole of aluminum nitrate. So we'll start by Al NO3 3. The mole of it would use mole equals the molar conc times the volume. And in this case, our molar conc was given to be 0.1. So say 0.1 times our volume is 30 centimeter cube. And since it's centimeter cube, you divide by 1000 so that we can get dm cube. You arrive at 0.003 mole. So this is the first step. The second step, you also solve for the mole of sodium hydroxide using same formula, NaOH. This will be mole, the conc times the volume. From our equation, we're given 0.15 mole molar conc of sodium hydroxide. So we say 0.15 times the volume given was 100 centimeter cube. So we also divide here by 1000. Here we arrive at 0.015 mole of sodium hydroxide. That's the second step. The third step, we'll write out a chemical equation and balance it. So the chemical equation would be aluminum nitrate Al NO3 out here, reacting with sodium hydroxide NaOH, you get AlOH close bracket 3 plus NaNO3. Now, to balance this equation, I'll just bring out 3 here and also 3 here. So the equation is balanced. If you have issues with balancing of chemical equation, check the description box. You will see link. That link will bring you to a WhatsApp group. There we'll share with you videos on how to balance chemical equation from scratch, step by step. Next step is you bring out the molar ratio from this balanced chemical equation. And how you go take do that one? Since there's nothing in front of this aluminum nitrate, you would write out 1 here. So the molar ratio of it is 1. You put something like this. The molar ratio of sodium hydroxide is 3. The 3 at the front of it. The molar ratio of aluminum hydroxide here is 1. Then the molar ratio of sodium nitrate here is 3. Now, once you've written out the molar ratios, you go back to the moles of the aluminum nitrate and sodium hydroxide where you don't solve. So if we go back to the mole of the aluminum nitrate, we'll get 0.03. So now I go rewrite them for under here 0.003 take it down again 0.003. Now if for the aluminum, according to the molar ratio, that of the aluminum nitrate is 0.003. now what will be the equivalent of that 3 times? You would say 0.003 times 3, these 3. So here 0.003 times 3, and so you arrive at 0.009. So that of the sodium hydroxide is 0.009. Next, we would solve for the excess. So which of them is in excess now? Which of them is in excess? If you notice, for the aluminum nitrate, 1 molar ratio of it gives us 0.003, and for the sodium hydroxide it gives us 0.009. And if we go back to our solvings from the start, first step and second step, for that of the aluminum nitrate we get 0.003, and for that of the sodium hydroxide we get 0.015. So next we would say the excess of sodium hydroxide, NaOH, will equal 0.015 minus this value here, 0.009. If you minus this, you would arrive at, if you punch your calculator, you arrive at 0.006 mole. 0.006 mole. So from here now, we already know, say, our sodium hydroxide in excess. Next, we'll solve for the volume of the sodium hydroxide. So volume, next step, volume of NaOH, making use of V equals the mole over the conc, the molar conc. So the mole we'll make use of this time will be 0.006. So say 0.006 over the molar conc that was given initially, 0.15, equals, if you punch your calculator, you arrive here at 0.04. And please note, this one then in dm cube. Now, if you notice, we'll go back, might show you something. If you notice our equation, our answers are in cm cube, so we need to convert the 0.04 dm cube to cm cube. So to convert dm cube to cm cube, we multiply by 1000. So cm cube, the volume in cm cube will be 0.04 times 1000. If you punch your calculator, you arrive at 40 cm cube. So our answer would be sodium hydroxide is in excess, NaOH is in excess of, or is in excess by 40 cm cube. And this is your final answer. Now let's go back to our options and see if any of the options would tally. So yes, that's it. Option C is the correct answer. Sodium hydroxide solution is in excess by 40 centimeter cube. Now, at this point, if you say this is your first time of watching this clip, I would like for you, I want to remind you to subscribe and also drop a like. Lastly, I will drop tasks for you to solve. Once you finish solving these tasks, there's a link inside the description box. Click on that link. It will bring you to our WhatsApp group where we go fit mark your work and also give you correction if you get issue with any part, or you go fit ask us any part where you get issues with. Now to the tasks. So here's the tasks, just 2 tasks I go want to make you solve, and once you finish solving it, snap and send for assessment. Thanks for watching. I'll see you for the next video.